Meaning of double life.
Double life.
Double life.
Double life.
Double life. The term double life refers to the situation where a person leads two parallel and separate existences, often with drastically different lifestyles. This can include keeping secrets from one group of people while sharing with another, or engaging in activities that are inconsistent with their public persona. The result of leading a double life can lead to feelings of isolation, anxiety, and guilt. It is a complex issue that can impact personal relationships and mental health. Ultimately, it is important for individuals to strive for authenticity and honesty in all aspects of their lives.